Using a screwdriver, remove the rear fender screw holding the passenger seat in place, set it aside for later use. Now push the hand strap forward, then lift the seat up and back to slide off the fender. Remove both thumb screws from the rear of the driver's seat. Then lift the seat off of the threaded studs and pull back from the frame. Now you can remove the hand strap as well. This next step is optional. If you don't want the stock plastic retaining washers visible while running our Solo seats, you can swap them out with the smaller washers we provide. Change the washers one at a time by unscrewing them from the threaded studs, and be careful not to let the stud plate fall out from the fender during the swap. Now, holding the Solo seat fairly level to the frame, engage the front bracket into the frame mount behind the gas tank. While lowering the seat into place, line up the holes on the rear brackets with the threaded studs in the fender. Push down on the back of the seat and use the supplied slotted nuts to secure the seat onto the fender. Tighten securely with a 5/8 inch wrench. To install the driver's backrest, simply lift open the leather patch and slide the bar down into the receiver. You can adjust the angle of the pad by turning the thumb screw on the back. To install the passenger seat, set it down onto the fender and slide it forward to engage the brackets into the slotted nuts at the back of the driver's seat. For the final step, align the rear bracket with the fender mount and reinstall the screw using a screwdriver. Now you can enjoy the comfort and custom look of your new Mustang seat.